up, everyone, and welcome back to another video. And guess what we're doing today, Mom? Guess what we're doing, guys? Mom, you want to say it? Hurry up.
Say it yourself.
Oh, come on, Mom. You're supposed to.
A cake.
Well, yeah, we're making a cake, but we're cooking. Or no, we're baking, actually. So yeah, it's about time I'm making a cooking/baking video.
I need my glasses. I can't see.
I need more light. I'm blind. Okay, so Mom's gonna get her glasses. Oh yeah, because she can't see tiny words. Yeah, okay. So, making a cake, and it's white cake. And then we got some...
Oh, you took the white one out. I took the lemon out.
Yeah, no. We have a lemon cake, but I put it away because we should put some lemon icing on here instead. And we don't have that. So, white cake, and then when we go shopping, we can get, if there is lemon icing, then we can get them. Also, let me know if you guys want me to make another shopping vlog, because I haven't made those in a while. I don't know how many I even have, but let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see a shopping vlog again. Sorry, I don't know if you saw me, but anyways. Okay, so
okay, we're gonna have to.
This is what I had for supper. I almost said lunch.
Okay, I gotta find the things for that.
That's hot.
Put it here.
Alright. So we need... Actually, I was planning on using your camera. I don't feel like it. And my phone out already. Okay, so we're gonna put all the things together and then I'll see you when we start making it. Okay, so I placed the camera. Hopefully it's not gonna be an ass. And fall in crap.
Yeah.
Okay. So, we put the camera, we put the stove, well Mom did anyways, at 350, right? Yeah.
It says preheat oven to 350.
Okay, so,
hey.
directions, well you gotta hurry up. Directions, cake, yeah, I don't know if you guys can see probably, but you can see the bowl properly. Perfect. Okay, take the mix out.
Okay. Okay, you want to do that, blend the eggs?
That's good, so.
Vegetable oil, it's not vegetable oil, the measuring cup, the small measuring cup.
Right.
I forgot that. Okay.
Measuring cup.
Yeah. Okay, so mix all that up.
Scissors.
And you're going to need a spoon to break what do you call those, eggs.
Okay, so pour this in first.
Yeah.
There goes
Holy
in.
crap, you made a small hole? Come on, cut.
It's big enough.
Okay. What did it say? 1 cup water.
Stop making a mess with the food on the floor, Missy. Okay.
Wow, I can't even see what it says.
I missed this. God damn it. Screw it.
Does it say 1/3?
Oh, Mom, you're blind.
Yeah, because it's written so small.
Yeah, it says 1/3.
Okay. Where is
1/3.
Right
It's not
there.
focusing.
Oh, this is not even open.
1/3.
I can't even grab this thing. There we go.
Sorry guys, I'm blurry. It's blurry. So yeah, you can only see the bowl because my camera's so small and you can only see like half of the screen or whatever the hell.
That's done.
Okay, I think they saw you pouring that in. I don't know, I can't even see. Camera's so high up.
Okay. Pour 1/3. You put 3 eggs.
Vanilla cake.
Okay. 1 cup water. Cold, not hot.
No, we wanted a hot cake, right guys?
What? Okay, so.
Crap.
Nice job.
Okay, while you do the water and the eggs, I'm gonna put grease on there so it doesn't stick.
1 cup, right?
1 cup water.
Okay.
Yeah, go. Put it in.
Sorry,
You can put the bowl closer to you if it's too far.
No, because then the camera can't see.
And 3 eggs. That's why that spoon is there.
Oh. Watch me crack my first egg in my life. No, I'm just kidding. No, I cracked plenty of eggs. Most of them are failures though. Number 1, success.
Okay.
Oh, shit, I could put that back.
I need to get some gloves for cooking gloves.
Oh shit, yeah. Eh? Die, egg.
Die.
2. That was like a really small opening. Okay, that was 3. Now what?
You have to mix it up. My mixer's here.
Okay. No milk?
No.
Okay guys, this might get a little loud. Because of the mixer is really loud on my toes. Mom's buttering the pan. You need to show them after Mom bring the pan over and stuff. Okay, so on medium, high, or it doesn't matter?
I put it on the lowest one, so it would be the first one when you turn it on. And then you put it on this second one. I always put it on the first one, and I leave it on the first one.
Okay, well this... I'm already struggling.
You're gonna have to unplug something there.
Yeah, so much stuff. Screw it.
Hey.
Take the white, your dad's
I'm trying, but there's a whole bunch of junk in there. There's a whole bunch of junk everywhere. What are you doing? Okay. Don't complain. Okay, so I'm ready to mix. But Mom didn't show.
No.
You gotta butter the pan, which Mom did. Hopefully it's not too blurry. Mama, it's a cooking video. You gotta show every single thing. Mom's still new to YouTube.
Okay, are you finished with the eggs? I'll put them away.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so on the first line, you can't even see. Which one? I should probably put this inside the bowl before I turn it on.
Oh, look at this one.
Okay. Pascal. You guys ready?
Okay, sides and bottom of the pan. I don't put flour. I don't know why.
Can't hear you, it's really loud. My phone's gonna run out of storage and you won't be able to finish the cake on camera. Unless I use your camera.
That looks good.
Yummy!
I'll take the margarine out of there.
There's liquid on the counter. I shouldn't put the thingy on top.
We need this.
Still rolling, guys? Good. Good to know. My phone's not an
You're gonna
ass.
have to bring your phone over there too.
You gotta be
You
loud
want one
enough?
of these to? I can't even for you press this.
Mom's weak. So am Laugh at me, guys.
Use both hands. Okay, let it go.
Oh. My phone died, so I'm using Mom's camera now.
You could have used my my phone, my
No.
phone one.
No, your camera has more
So
storage.
you're going, because you're going to empty this. Okay, you're taping?
Yeah. I'm taping. That's the old way. That's the old days word. Now it's recording. Yummo. Bet you $100, guys. I won't eat that right away. As soon as it's done. I won't take a piece in like a few days.
No, you shouldn't be taking it when it's done anyways. You gotta let it cool so we can put that stuff
Yeah, your
on.
camera is flushing low battery. It's such an ass. Plugging is hard. 'Cause everything's dying, everything's running out of space.
We're gonna have to make a hole and bury it.
And a little grave. It wouldn't last long for a damn video.
Usually your dad's the one that likes to take out my camera and and look at it.
So he's the one killing the camera.
No, he hasn't done that in a long time.
So it's killing itself. Huh.
It's because it's been there for a long time that nobody's been touching it. Okay,
so oven time. Oven time, guys. Say bye. See you on the other side.
Yeah, in our bellies.
On the cooked side. Okay, so how many minutes?
To 23 to 28, but I'm going to put it, whoops, 28. Oops.
Cool. Okay, so we'll get back to you guys when the cake's done, and we're gonna decorate it. And in the meantime, Mom can record, or Mom can charge her camera battery. I can't even talk. I don't even know how. I'm still a baby. I'm still learning how to talk. Mama poo poo caca. I don't know. Anyways, so yeah, gonna charge the camera battery, and then when the cake's done, we'll grab the camera and stuff like that, and we'll see you guys then. So yeah, see you in like
with poo poo caca.
yeah, whatever. Yeah, because I have trouble talking, like I mumble and then words don't come out, and it just comes out as blah blah. Well, yeah, because it's like I don't know how to talk. I'm still learning how to talk
before the battery dies on.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so see you guys in a bit. 1 minute. Not really. Camera won't work. So I have to use my phone. Check this out. Memory card error. But who cares? I don't care. Electronics hate me. That's okay. Hate them back. Okay. But anyways, we got 14 seconds left until this baby's done. Yeah, it's just being an asshole because it hates me. Completely normal, Mom. Don't worry. It just hates me. Maybe it's locked.
Is it your card or mine? It's
yours. Hey, it's done. Or at least I got it before it beeped.
Oh. I should check to make sure it is. Will you move out of the way?
Oh yeah. Lola, you're in the way. We hate you, but we love you. Yeah. You know where you want to kiss everyone? No. Mwah, Lola. Is it done? Is it cooked? Is it done? Like 1 more minute. What do you think, Lola? Here's what Lola thinks. I think it's ready. I want to eat it. I don't care if it's cooked or not. I would eat it. Mom's gonna put it 1 more minute or 2. Yay, we're back to seconds. This time I got close. I got the camera. I fixed it all up. We just took the SD card, put it back in, and now it started working. So, you coming, Mom? You're so far away. Here comes the food. You got 12 seconds. Okay, 20 hours later, finally zooms out.
40 seconds or 40 seconds?
12 seconds.
You said 4.
No, we said 12 the whole time. Come on, it's our 5 seconds.
Come on, let's go.
3, 2, 1. Totally got you. It's only 10 seconds. Oh, now 7 seconds. It was at 30 seconds when I told you. 12 seconds. And they were in on it. They knew.
Watch it, silly.
Lola, you want to be baked? Just kidding.
I made a big hole.
Yeah. We're not having apple pie.
Look at a big slice I did. Just to put the knife in there. Now we gotta wait until it cools down to put that stuff.
Right, so another half hour.
Well, you still
Okay, so it's time to... Hey, you could have waited and until I started. You had no idea. Yeah, crap. We'll continue. I started anyways.
It's still kind of warm.
Yeah. Well, it's been like 40 minutes. About 40 minutes. If only I could do time lapse, but I can't. I don't have the proper editing software to make a time lapse and stuff. I use a freaking gaming I don't know. So, Arcsoft Showbiz, it sucks. But it works for now. Can only make slow videos. Where's Lola?
She's at my feet.
Mom's almost done. Only took 2 minutes off camera. Oh, it's already on high. Okay. Lola's still at her feet, being in the way.
She's not in my way because I'm not moving.
Ow. I just hit my hip on that.
I don't move my legs, so she's not.
Yeah, I know,
if
but
I move
when
my
you...
feet, then she'd be in the way.
Oh, she's in the way anyway. Let me step on you. I'm gonna step on you. And then just kidding.
There you go.
If only we had mini eggs. Do that mini egg thing I do. So yeah, that was cake. It's pretty easy, but at least I made a video today, and at least I was. Hopefully, at least I was entertaining.
Try that out.
Mom, it's blurry. Oh, there we go. Little tiny cake. Fly flew on you. Go away. Oh, my arm cracked. My elbow.
I heard that.
Or my shoulder. Hey, stupid fly. Stay away from the cake, you bastard. Okay. Cake done. Lula done.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Bye.
You buy. You go in there and eat the cake. Take a bite though, for the viewers. Tell them how delicious it is.
No. You know what cake tastes like.
They don't, cause they
do, yeah.
no, they don't. They only see it. They can't taste it. Unless we do this. Tastes like cake.
Good cake.
That's it. Good cake. Can't wait to try the lemon one. We'll have to get some lemon icing.
You said that already.
I know, but I'm reminding you.
What do you want?
Anyways, that was a boring ending of the cake. I mean, this video. Okay, so I'm not gonna end my video like I usually do. Come up, blah blah blah. Because I don't know, I just feel like that's too long and it's boring and it's stupid. But I probably should one day. I will. Maybe I'll just put an outro. That's not gonna happen for a while because I don't know how to do an outro yet. Anyways, okay, so hope you guys enjoyed. That was me cooking a bake. That was me wait a minute, we forgot to take a picture of it for the thumbnail. We needed the full cake.
Too bad. Let's go. Hurry up because of the battery.
Okay, so if you see a picture of the cake with one piece missing, blame Mom. I forgot to take the thumbnail. So, like in the thumbnail, well, yeah, you guys already saw the thumbnail. So now I'm telling you why, what happened, why is there a piece missing? But yeah, anyways, I don't even remember what I was talking before that. But oh yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed me baking a cake. And, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Ended up so bad. I ended this so bad. Bye! Wow.